Imagine a police officer showing up at your front door, handing you a formal piece of paper and telling you to sign it. It's called a harassment warning or a police information notice. In that moment, your mind races. You might think you've just been found guilty of a crime, handed a criminal conviction right on your doorstep without ever stepping foot inside a courtroom. Signing that paper does not mean you are admitting to any wrongdoing. The police are simply informing you that someone has made an allegation of harassment against you. Legally, it is not a criminal conviction. That might sound like a relief, but that sense of safety is deceptive. While you haven't been convicted of a crime, you've just been entered into a hidden, long-term legal trap. The moment that warning is issued, your name and the allegation are permanently logged into the police national computer. Falling outside the Rehabilitation of Offenders Act, the record never officially expires. It stays in the system indefinitely. If unjustified, you're stuck. There is no formal appeal process to remove it. The danger becomes real when applying for jobs. If an employer requests an enhanced DBS check, police have discretion to disclose your warning in the Other Relevant Information section. You are left with a permanent police record and no straightforward way to fight it in court. You are effectively living with the consequences of guilt without ever receiving due process. Stuck in this system, accused individuals usually feel entirely powerless. The police have moved on, and you are left holding the bag. But the dynamic shifts when the person who accused you decides to take their victory online. Because the warning is a private matter, an accuser who posts on social media or tells others that you received police action is making a critical legal error. This logic tree illustrates exactly how that public boasting breaks the law. By publishing the existence of the warning, the accuser opens themselves up to claims of defamation, a breach of your right to a private life, and the misuse of private information. The moment they try to publicly shame you with a private police notice, the legal leverage transfers directly to you. They have committed civil offenses that you can take to court. Now, let's look at this from the other side. What if you are the one actually being harassed, and the police aren't taking your complaint seriously enough to act? You don't have to wait for law enforcement. A civil solicitor can draft and issue a formal harassment warning directly to your abuser on your behalf. If the abuser ignores a solicitor's notice, the consequences escalate rapidly. Your lawyer can immediately file for legal proceedings in a civil court, securing an injunction to force them to stop, and securing an order for them to pay you financial damages. Bypassing the slow police process for a civil notice changes your position. You stop waiting for someone else to protect you and mount a proactive, legally enforceable defense. Harassment warnings are highly sensitive legal tools. Depending on where you stand, they act as either a permanent trap or a powerful shield. You either need a way to clear your name from a warning issued without cause, or you need to issue a binding warning of your own to stop an abuser in their tracks. Attempting to navigate either path on your own carries severe risks. Reaching out directly to an accuser or ignoring legal notices can backfire, resulting in arrests or crippling financial penalties. Succeeding in this digital and legal landscape requires representation that knows how to play airtight defense when you are falsely accused and aggressive offense when you are under attack. That is where Cohen Davis Solicitors come in. They are the premier experts in navigating the complexities of online harassment and privacy law in the UK. Their team specializes in holding accusers accountable when they cross the line into defamation, managing the reputational fallout of police notices, and strategically deploying civil warnings to protect victims. If you are trapped by an unfair warning or need to stop an abuser right now, don't wait. Contact Cohen Davis Solicitors immediately using the link in the description below. And to make sure you stay informed and protected in the digital age, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more essential legal explainers.